To create a new project, open the Slomo TV Launcher application. Double-click the shortcut with the left mouse button. Wait for the application to launch. To create a new project, click the Create New icon. In the window that opens, we can change the project name, configure the number of recording channels, select the resolution, frame rate, recording codec, and quality. We can also configure the project duration. In the next window, we can select the controller model and connection type. We can also configure the jog shuttle sensitivity. In the DMR tab, we can enable the option to record to DMR disks. We can also enable proxy recording. We can select a container for the recorded video, the number of audio channels per video channel, and the audio format. In this window, we can also assign cameras to disks for recording. Like this, for example. We can also configure the audio matrix. In the next tab, we can change the camera's names, change their physical connectors, select the input signal format, and add a new output. Define its role, type, and configure its physical connector. In this area, we see our connection diagram. In the Summary tab, you can see information about the newly created project. To run the created project, click the Run Current icon. When you click the icon, the next window will open. In this window, save the created project by clicking Save. Wait for the project to run. Now your project is ready to work with.